5 seconds to go. Start. A special leave petition was preferred before this court against the above judgment of the Karnataka High Court, in which KIC was the fifth petitioner. Leave was granted and the petition was converted into civil appeal of 2010. The civil appeal was dismissed by order dated 22nd November 2017. Therefore, the matter had attained finality. KIC filed another suit of 2018, hereafter called KIC Suit 2nd. In that suit, the following reliefs were claimed: declaring that the plaintiff is the absolute owner of the suit schedule property, directing the defendants numbers 5 to 27 to deliver possession of the suit schedule property to the plaintiff, to grant permanent injunction restraining the defendant number 1 to 4 from deleting the name of plaintiff from revenue records without due process of law. The trial court considered the plaint in KIC suit 2nd and rejected the plaint after considering all the previous facts and the history of the litigation. The trial court observed that in the case on hand, the issue regarding deemed cancellation of grant was decided by all the courts up to the Honorable Apex Court. It is also significant to note that the finding of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka in RSA 236 of 99 as to the title of the plaintiff based on the alleged grant was directly and substantially in issue, and said issue was answered in the affirmative by the Honorable High Court of Karnataka. It appears that challenging the findings of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka, the plaintiff herein filed review petition which was dismissed by the Honorable High Court of Karnataka. Indeed, the plaintiff also approached the Honorable Apex Court on couple of occasions. The contention of the plaintiff is that he is in possession and enjoyment of the suit schedule property by virtue of the grant, and the plaintiff is the owner of the suit schedule property. The claim of the plaintiff that the property was granted by the government of Mysore has been consistently negatived by the honorable courts. Therefore, this court cannot entertain the above suit for the relief of declaration once again on the basis of the alleged grant. Hence, I proceed to pass the following. The suit of the plaintiff is hereby rejected as not maintainable. KIC appealed, contending that the rejection of its plaint in KIC suit 2nd was erroneous. The High Court set aside the order rejecting the plaint and held that in the circumstances of the case, it was incumbent upon the trial court to issue summons and its suo motu determination on the maintainability of the suit before such issuance was erroneous. The impugned judgment also held that it was open to a court to reject the plaint at any stage. Stop.